This is the Lamborghini yacht. Watch this. This reveals your V12 engines, 2,000 horsepower each. So a combined 4,000 horsepower. Right here, this is what you want to see. 3 carbon fiber Lamborghini seats. 1, 2, 3. Now over here, come around. You have a Lamborghini steering wheel, so it actually feels like you're in a supercar with your dash as well, Lamborghini dash. If you look right here, it says cruise, but come down here, we can actually flip this to, ready? I'll press it, watch. Corsa, just like in a supercar. But even cooler is this. This is your Lamborghini start-stop button, number 1. And then over here is Lamborghini stop-start number 2. That is because there are 2 engines. You ready to see something really special? Come with me. Carbon fiber everywhere as we head down here. This is something a supercar does not have. Push this, open up, ready? Down we go. You have your kitchenette here, and then through here is your beautiful master bedroom. Look at this, with the ambient lighting, and then the skylight here. And you can shut this off. Over here, you can close these babies, get some shut-eye. Everything, as you can see, has like these Lamborghini lines. Around through here, you have your second bedroom or lounge room in this space. Look at this. And then you've got all of these hidden storage compartments. Hey, that's an important one. We like that one. Through here, you have a carbon fiber toilet. When have you ever seen a carbon fiber toilet before? Look at all the carbon fiber in this bathroom. Isn't this so cool? And through this cupboard, look, all the wire lines everywhere. This has a top speed of 63 knots. It is 63 feet long, and there are only 63 made. What do you guys think? I actually love it.